We've all been there. You create a password, then you forget it 10 seconds later. Luckily, you can reset passwords. In this small video, I'm showing you how to reset a forgotten password in Linux. This will work on every distro as long as the disk isn't encrypted. So without taking much of your time, let's get into it. Alright, so reboot your PC or your server. And while it's booting, hold the Shift key to open the boot menu. Highlight the first entry and click on E to edit. Here we are searching the line starting with Linux, so this is it for me. So you have to go to the end of it. Here you have RO, which means read only. You have to replace the O with W, so it will be read write, and a space. Now type the following: init equals to /bin/bash. With this command you are telling GRUB to boot directly to bash, so now type Ctrl X to boot. And now you are in a root shell, so you can change the password for your browser. Just type the following: passwd and the username. For me it's LD. Now it's telling you to enter a new password, so do this. And one more time. And that's it. Now you can reboot your server, enter your username and the new password. And that's it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. This is Libre-Data, and we are just getting started. See you in the next time.